The master's back in the dojo. I've been palming the pack for the Lolo. My whole karma's back in the ozone. Got my head in the clouds. I can be dead if I'm proud. I never stepped on a foul. I know no bounds, that's freedom talk.
Ladies and gentlemen, what is good with y'all? What's going on? It's your boy Broadway J, your host here at Kicks and Beats, the channel that gives back to the hood so you know what's good. Please hit subscribe, please hit like, and god damn, these glasses are really dusty looking right now. You know. Anyway, sorry for the late update on this one. I've been rocking the 450s for about 2 weeks now. Completely forgot to make this video for you guys. But I'm kind of glad I took the weight at the same time because my son's pair came in today. So we're going to be reviewing the adult version, which is on my foot right now. This pair right here, it's probably dirty, right? Yeah, a little dirty. And you know, kids version right here. But anyways, I'll show you the front of the boxes real quick. This is how it should be described for the adult. And this is for the kids right here. Shout out to StockX for both of them, honestly. But I want to get into the kids real quick, since you guys have already seen the adult via other people's pages. You know, StockX, I already took out the personal information, so I don't got to worry about that there. And yeah, let's look at these beauties. If you're a parent, or if there's a kid in your family you want to hook up with a pair of shoes, please do yourself a favor, well do them a favor and get this pair right here. Super comfortable, and it has injected foam inside as well. Yeah, what's up, buddy? You want a pen? Yeah. Hold on, guys. I gotta get my son a pen real quick. Alright, so where was I? Alright, so yeah, this comes with injected foam inside, guys. Definitely recommend getting your kid this. Plus, bungee cord style lacing system. Come on, you know how it is with the kids and the shoelaces. No need for that no more. But, and I don't know what it is. Even with the adult pair and this pair, they came smelling funny, bro. Like, what is that? Is that algae? Is that mold? Is it both? Like... But anyways, I'm sure it leaves with time. I think it already did with mine. Does that say Addy Fit? I think it says Addy Fit in on the top portion here. Ortholite and Addy Fit. I've never heard of Addy Fit before, to be honest, but I've heard of Ortholite. Yeah, check out the bottom of the shoe. Yeah, this is a nice pair. Honestly, I can't even front. When it came to the adult version, I do wish they would have just put the bungee style lacing system on it as well, bro. Like, come on, man. We don't need these regular style laces. It doesn't really make these shoes look that much better. Convenience matters. But yeah, just look at the material, guys. Your kid is gonna feel super comfortable in these. It just is. Air Jordans, Nikes, incomparable. I'm sorry, but it's just not up to par with these. But anyways, we'll be showing you an on feet for this. And same for the adult. Let's show you the adult pair real quick. Now, one thing I've noticed besides the bungee style laces is the amount of, whatever you want to call this, the amount that they've added to the bottom. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it ends. I think this one comes with 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But of course, you know, I guess they did it because of the sizing difference. I like how this looks. My son actually doesn't like how it looks though. I'm just so surprised by it. Hopefully it'll grow with him with time. Yeah, hopefully he'll grow into liking this pair with time. But anyways, let us give you the on-feet review for both. Let's get to it.
I got a lot of dough, got the ill flow. Will I ever drop? Impossible. Will you ever flop? Real probable. Got weak MCs dropping like dominoes, and it's a long line. Mentally, I'm the grind, the weed's popping mine, and as long as it's a golden mine, you wouldn't want me on your back like golden eye. Wives, feeling for the semen, living the life all these niggas wanna be in. All y'all knew I was ill with the beats, but didn't know I'm a dragon. I only spit heat, stupid bitch. Every time you kiss your chick's lips, you're getting sediments of my dick tip on your lips. Cause I keep my swagger looking right, son, knocking out like a Mike Tyson. All your niggas hate cause but keep smacking. Far from celibate, all I do is fornicate.
Time to wrap up the video, y'all. Hope you enjoyed and stay tuned because we got another giveaway coming up in a week from now. Peace, y'all.